Yes. Hello. You know, I will tell you my story. It's the story of sorrow. Actually, I had a very good job. Yes, the job was perfect. I was working in a theater. I was selling tickets to kids. It was so nice. They were so sweet. And but then bad thing happened to me. My sins. Yes, these are my sins. I was selling tickets and I dropped my eyesight and I saw 10 golden coins. They were so small, so nice. They were looking at me and they were whispering, "Take us, take us." So I could not stand and I took just a couple. No, it was not a couple, maybe 5? No, I took all 10. Yeah, and he found this out and he kicked me off the theater. And I was in the street, homeless, no home, no roof under my head. And I started thinking what to do. I'm very inventive. So I found this old guy and we decided to make some business together, but he's that silly old Basilio. It all happened because of him. I found this nice wooden guy, Buratino, and I persuaded him to give his money back to me. Everything was just super. Yeah, but just because of this old silly invalid, we lost it all. And yes, we are now here in prison. So, a couple of golden coins for the poor Alice the fox.